Drawing conclusions. Unlocking meaning through inference. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. Today, we'll be delving into the world of reading comprehension strategies, focusing specifically on the skill of drawing conclusions. Drawing conclusions involves using clues and information from a text to make educated guesses or reach logical inferences about what is not explicitly stated. It's a crucial skill that can greatly enhance your reading comprehension abilities. So, let's get started. Drawing conclusions is a process of using information from a text, combined with your background knowledge and critical thinking skills, to make logical deductions about the text's meaning. It requires you to go beyond the literal words and actively engage with the text. Here are a few key points to remember when drawing conclusions. Read carefully. To draw accurate conclusions, it's essential to read the text carefully and pay attention to details. Take note of any descriptions, dialogue, or actions that might provide valuable insights. Use context clues. Context clues are the surrounding words or phrases that can help you understand unfamiliar words or phrases. They can also assist in drawing conclusions by providing additional information about the situation, characters, or events. Consider the author's purpose. Understanding the author's purpose is vital when drawing conclusions. It helps you analyze why the author included certain information or presented it in a particular way. By doing so, you can infer the author's intended meaning and draw conclusions accordingly. When drawing conclusions, it's essential to identify implicit information, which refers to ideas or details that are implied but not directly stated in the text. By recognizing these implicit cues, you can gather a deeper understanding of the text and draw more accurate conclusions. Here are some strategies to identify implicit information. Pay attention to tone and mood. The tone and mood of a text can provide subtle hints about the author's perspective or the character's emotions. By analyzing these elements, you can infer the underlying meaning and draw conclusions accordingly. Analyze character actions and motives. Characters' actions and motives often reveal their true intentions or emotions. By closely examining their behaviors, decisions, and reactions, you can draw conclusions about their personalities, relationships, or potential plot developments. Look for cause and effect relationships. Many texts present cause and effect relationships, where one action leads to a specific consequence. By identifying these relationships, you can infer the potential outcomes and draw conclusions about the text's overall meaning. Supporting details are specific pieces of information within a text that contribute to the main ideas or arguments. When drawing conclusions, these details can be invaluable in guiding your inferences. Here's how to draw inferences from supporting details. Analyze patterns and trends. Look for recurring patterns or trends in the text. These patterns can help you make connections between different pieces of information and draw conclusions about the text's themes or main ideas. Consider contrasting viewpoints. When a text presents multiple perspectives or conflicting information, analyzing these contrasting viewpoints can assist in drawing conclusions. By examining the reasons behind the differing opinions, you can form a more nuanced understanding of the text and its implications. Use evidence and logical reasoning. As you encounter supporting details, consider the evidence presented and use logical reasoning to draw conclusions. Think about how the details relate to each other and to the overall message or argument of the text. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on drawing conclusions as a reading comprehension strategy. Drawing conclusions allows you to unlock deeper meanings, make connections, and develop a more comprehensive understanding of the texts you encounter. Remember, Drawing conclusions.